Hello all, welcome to Finnomatics. Today we are going to start with the second module, that is function key accelerator. But before starting that, we'll just take a quick recap for numeric speed accelerator. So there are 4 levels, and we have seen level 1 and lesson 1 of the numeric speed accelerator. As the level increases, the difficulty level also increases, and the lessons needs to be completed at once in one go. So level 1, there are 25 lessons, and same for 2, 3 and 4. So this we are on the last level 4, and we would see the difficulty level have increases. There are all fingers use numerics in the test session, and likewise we have to fill all the details. So now we move on to function key accelerator. Function key accelerator module can be selected either by login with the help of user ID and password, and the module screen appears on the left hand side, and as soon as we select the module key, that is function key accelerator, from the screen we would find the next screen, that is there would be 3 levels, that is beginners, intermediate and proficient. So one needs to understand what is the importance of this module to develop the skill set required to recognize the displayed numbers under quantity and price. Whatever quantity and price is being there on the screen, it needs to be there, and very much to that quantity and price, one needs to also be assured that they press accurate tab and enter keys. Tab key is on the right hand side above caps lock key, and enter key you have to use numeric key which is next to numeric keys. So that is the enter key which you have to use. So there are 3 levels in this: beginners, intermediate and proficient. So to select that, you have to first, this process remains the same, that is alt. You have to only use the keyboard, that is alt plus down arrow key. You have to select which module you are going to go. I request all the students to go step by step. Do not jump on the modules. First do beginners, then intermediate and then proficient. But remember, the module which we have done before, that is numeric speed accelerator, need not be forgotten. Here is the use of that numeric speed accelerator. So alt tab, after pressing alt down arrow key, then there is a tab. Then we come to the symbol option. So symbols are basically uh, the symbols of the securities which are listed on NSE. That is 50 company symbols are there in which are listed on NSE, which trade in NSE. So that's why the name is Nifty 50 or NSE. So all the 50 company symbols and security name would automatically populate it. If you are not familiar with the symbols, you can press tab and you can find with alt tab, that is the security name and symbols would be automatically populated. After getting the security name, you have to press alt tab uh, and get the button, press enter button when it is start. So I repeat, alt down arrow key, then tab, then we have to select the symbol, then alt down arrow key, the security name automatically populates, then there is a tab, then start button would be highlighted, and you have to press the enter key. As soon as the enter key is being populated, you would find that the test appears on the screen. So quantity is being given 89, and price of that share, that is GVK Power and Infrastructure Limited. This is the company share, and the price is 22.10. So you have to type 89 with the respective fingers, and 20. Then use a tab. Then type the price, that is 22.10, with the respective fingers, and after that you have to press enter, not tab. Okay. So the next, as soon as you press enter, the next test would be appeared to you, that is 24, as you can see on the screen. As soon as the enter is pressed 24, you have to press 24, then tab, then type the price, that is 21.5, then press enter. So as soon as the enter key is being pressed, the next question would be highlighted. So you have to complete the sheet by pressing the price and the quantity respectively, and then a enter key to go to the next question being populated. So if you want to stop the session in between, this buttons remains the same, that is Alt plus S, you have to press it, and you can stop the session in between. So enter after completing the final session, you would able to see the scoreboard, and it would be displayed where you went wrong, what numbers, whether you have pressed it right or wrong. Or you can also view the scoreboard by pressing Alt plus C key. So this is how the beginners module goes, and in the same way there are two more modules, that is intermediate and proficient, where you can see it. So this is the beginners module, where all the quantity and price in the sheets are being filled, and then you can able to see the scoreboard. In the same way, if you want to see uh, the intermediate module, that is, you can see it, the level of difficulty rises, the quantities are in 3 digits and the price may be in 3 digit and 2 decimals, and you have to type the correct price with the correct fingers being used for typing the numerics. So in the same way, you can also see there the last difficulty level, that is proficient level, and here there are 4 digits, and the price may be with 4 digits plus 2 decimals. So proper keys with proper fingers needs to be used, and the scoreboard would be populated as soon as you fill the sheet. With the Alt C, you can see the scoreboard, and also you can view the scoreboard in the report section. So here the scoreboard shows us your speed, also the accuracy level, and your duration to complete this sheet of difficulty level. And that's all. So all the best. We have completed both the modules of Standard 9 and Smart Software, that is Numeric Speed Accelerator as well as Function Key Accelerator. In case if you find any difficulty, please let me know. Bye bye for now. Thank you.